A very good morning, friends. Today I'll be discussing the business analysis for 7th of February 2025. So we'll start with Asaka Airlines. It is the youngest airlines in India, and there has been news about Azee Premji, who's a tech tycoon. He's investing in Asaka Airline along with Pai family. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, he's also a tycoon, is is committed to invest into Asaka Airlines. So we might see a bandwagon effect. Rupee slips 16 paisa to close at 87.59 against US dollars. Um, the rupee has been declining. This is over uh, uncertainty over US trade tariffs, which are the trade war that is uh, going right now and being threatened by US. So there's a lot of uncertainty, which is why the US dollar is getting stronger and the rupee is declining day by day. Baiju, next is Baiju suspended PR and former promoters have approached the NCLAT. So basically, there's some dispute among the um, Baiju's ex-promoters and his brother, who's also an ex-promoter, and the dispute is now moved to National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Let's see what comes out of it. So we have the 16th Financial Commission on board, and Odisha decides to join state's pitch for 50% share of divisible tax pool. And we see that Bharti Airtel's third quarter net profit has increased due by 19%. Their revenue grew by 19% due to their sales of uh, their stakes that they had in uh, the Indus Tower businesses. So after selling their stakes at Indus Tower businesses, their revenue grew by 19% for the third quarter of this year, of 2024-2025 financial year for Bharti Airtel Limited. We can also see that ITC's third quarter net profit slips to 7%. This is amid cost increased price of the cost of raw material. Although they plan to give rupees 6.5 per share as dividend to all their investors. Next, we see that Hero MotoCorp has gained up to 12% in the last quarter, and they are planning to pay 100 rupees per dividend, which is 500%. So the net revenue for the States Bank of India is increased up to 84%, which is a big number. This is amid the tax break the budget has announced uh, weeks before. So we could see the domino effect of the budget cuts in the bank sector. Next and the last news is about um, increase in demand in the automobile sales and by 7%, and passenger vehicle particularly increased by 16% this January. So which is a good news for all the automobile dealers, since last year we saw a decline in the demand and increase in the inventories. So that is for the day. Thank you very much.